Good evening, VV Nation. My name is Ryan and welcome to the channel. Now in tonight's presentation, I'm going to keep you in a space that has been going up since the market's been going down. It's been hard to find winning industries, but I try to put you in the right side of the market. I do the research so that way you can reap the rewards. Now in tonight's presentation, we are going to go over uranium stocks. I did do a video on this back on September 7th. So we're going to check out those list of stocks, see where their potential is going forward, see how they have been doing since the market's pulling back. But in addition, we're going to take a look at the industry graph itself and show you a potential trade setup that is starting to form. All right, so here's the list I gave you back on September 7th. There's 3 stocks and 3 ETFs. As a bonus, if you stick through the end of this video, I will be giving you 2 additional plays that you could potentially make money on. So let's dive in and see how these stocks have been doing. So if we just quick test these, now like I said, that video came out, that was back on September 7th. So I can just change this to September 7th here. We'll hit the run test button. Now we take a look at these stocks here. We can see that they're all winners right now. If I resort them, the top one, EU, almost up 18%. Collectively, look, it's up 7.69%. So you've got all winners. They're all making money. If we take this and compare it to the VectorVest composite or VVC, we see the broad market right now is down 3% during that same time frame. If I change this to something that you're more familiar with, let's do like the SPY, the S&P 500. You can see that the S&P is down to almost 2.5%. So these stocks would have made you money. Now, and additionally, just the market pulling back in general, we do see that the confirmed down call was given back on August 9th. If I click OK, and let's just test these stocks in a down market in general. We can see all winners here, big names, a lot of these above 20%. Looks like half the list here, starting at 22%. URG at the top of the list with a 36% gain. Now, on average, these stocks collectively went up 20%. That is a huge gain to the upside in a down market. If we compare this to the SPY, look, the S&P down just over 2.5 at 2.61% to finish this time period. So I just wanted to show you the performance of these stocks that came out from that last video. Now that video is on our YouTube channel. Please check it out. I did go into some news articles why I was bullish on uranium at the time. I'm not going to go into news articles today. So let's jump over to the industry graph and show you the trade setup that I was talking about. Now, right behind me, I do have a chart up of the uranium industry itself. Now, this is over the last 3 months. We can see nice price action from lower left to upper right. Did hit its high back on September 28th at $4.35. Now, since then, uranium has been pulling back here. However, a couple things I like about this. We do see the 3 converging close to that 8-day exponential moving average. In addition, we did just break a downward trend line. Thus, if the 3 can cross above this 8-day moving average and if price action, I'd like to see it break above this level of resistance here, which just happens to be this candlestick's high right at $4. Because I do read the comments. I do see where some customers say that I speak things after the fact. Thus, I just wanted to put this on your radar as a potential trade setup for the uranium space, since it has been working since the market's pulling back. And I'm going to give you those 2 bonus picks so that way you can potentially make some money. So here's the first bonus stock, LEU or Centrus Energy. Now this is over the last 3 months. We see nice price action from lower left to upper right. Nice buy ratings here, no sell in sight over the last 3 months. We did just get a fresh new buy rating just a few trading days ago. I did like that it found support here at that 50.94 level. We don't see resistance until the prior high, so we do have some up room there to about 61.35. In addition, that 3-day has crossed above the 8-day exponential moving average as of this morning. So the next company I did want to show you, the second bonus stock, is going to be PALAF, which is Paladin Energy. Now here, price action from lower left to upper right. This is a penny stock here, coming in just at 61 cents. A couple things I do like about it. It's finding a level of support in this zone here, this 0.60 level. If we can get above this level of resistance at 0.62, we have upside potential until 70 cents. Now, before you go out and just blindly purchase some uranium stocks, I do want you to know that the RS for most of these stocks, well, all except one, is below 1. Therefore, these are a riskier basket of stocks. So if you're not comfortable with that, that is okay. There's always next video to show you some other ways to make money in this market. Now, in addition to that, I would like to see a little bit more confirmation from the uranium industry chart itself, definitely breaking that level of resistance at $4. Now, if this is something that you've enjoyed, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Have a good night.
Hey, VV Nation, you know that we can analyze any stock in a matter of seconds. Do you want to analyze any of your stocks for free? You want VectorVest to tell you what you really need to know about that stock? Well, you can. If you go to www.vectorvest.com/YTFSA, you can get a free stock analysis on any stock that you're currently holding or are possibly looking at. Folks, what do you have to lose? Do that now and analyze any of your stocks in a matter of seconds.